Anshula Kapoor, sister of Bollywood actor Arjun Kapoor, has been making headlines lately for two major reasons: for her debut in Karan Johar's show The Traitors, and her honest reflection on how her father Boney Kapoor's second marriage to the late Sridevi impacted her childhood. But today, Anshula is in the spotlight for a heartwarming reason: she is engaged. The entrepreneur took to social media to share the joyful news that her longtime boyfriend, Rohan Thakkar, proposed to her. Along with stunning pictures from their dreamy Central Park proposal and a close-up of her beautiful toy at Moi diamond ring, Anshula penned an emotional note capturing their love story. She wrote, "We met on an app, started talking on a random Tuesday at 1:15 a.m. We spoke until 6 a.m. that morning, and somehow, even back then, it felt like the beginning of something that mattered. 3 years later, in my favorite city, in front of the castle in Central Park, he proposed, at exactly 1:15 a.m. India time. And somehow the world paused just long enough for the moment to feel like magic. Just the quiet kind of love that feels like home." Anshula went on to say, "I've never been the girl who believed in fairy tales. But what Rohan Thakkar gave me that day was better. Because it was intentional, thoughtful, real, us. I said yes. Through ugly tears, shaky laughs, and the kind of happiness I can't put into words. Because since 2022, it's always been you. I'm engaged to my best friend. My safe place, my person, fav boy, fav city, and now, my fav yes." First meal after had to be at Shake Shack because our first conversation started because of our love for the shroom burger. The touching announcement was met with love and joy from her family. Her brother Arjun Kapoor got emotional and shared, "My life found her forever. Years to a happily ever after both of you. Anshul Kapoor, Rohan Thakkar. Missed mom a little extra today, love you guys." Anshula's stepsisters Janvi Kapoor and Khushi Kapoor also celebrated the news with heartfelt messages. Janvi wrote, "My sister is engaged, the best for the best," while Khushi shared on her Instagram story, "I love you both, my sisters getting married." From a midnight chat to a forever promise, Anshula and Rohan's love story is as genuine as it is magical. Actor Mahi Veej has finally addressed the ongoing speculation surrounding her marriage to Jay Bhanushali. After months of rumors hinting at trouble in their relationship and possible divorce, Mahi has spoken out, and her message is direct. In a candid conversation on the Male Feminist podcast, Mahi expressed her frustration over the public's obsession with her personal life. When asked about the buzz around her marriage, she made her stance clear. "Even if it is the case, why should I tell you? Are you my uncle? Will you pay my lawyer's fee? Why do people make such a big deal out of somebody's divorce or separation? I see people writing in my comments section, 'Mahi to decent hai, Jay aisa hai.' Then somebody else writes, 'Jay acha hai, Mahi hi aise hai.' They just want to blame someone. Do you even know the truth? What do you know?" Mahi went on to highlight the societal judgment that often follows single mothers and couples who separate. Here, people look at single mothers and divorces very differently. They assume there's going to be drama now, that it'll turn into a big issue, that the two will start throwing mud at each other. I feel there's a lot of pressure from society. Just live and let live. Mahi and Jay have been together since their marriage in 2011. In 2017, they fostered 2 children, a boy named Rajveer and a girl named Khushi. Their biological daughter Tara was born in 2019. The couple has also been fan favorites on reality television. They won Naach Baliye 5 in 2013 and have appeared on other popular shows like Jhalak Dikhla Ja 4 and Fear Factor, Khatron Ke Khiladi 7. Mahi, known for her roles as Nakusha in Lagi Tujhse Lagan and Nandini in Balika Vadhu, has also featured in several music videos. Despite the constant public curiosity, Mahi is choosing to keep her private life exactly that, private. Her message is loud and clear: everyone deserves the space to live without judgment. Fans of Salman Khan have been buzzing with excitement ever since it was announced that the superstar will be working on a film based on the 2020 Galwan Valley conflict. Over the past few weeks, Salman has been sharing pictures of himself, showing off a slightly new look, and fans can't get enough. Recently, Salman posted another picture on his Instagram. In the photo, he's looking smart in a fitted blue tee, seated comfortably in a room. His fresh haircut and intense look have caught everyone's attention. He even poses with one hand covering part of his face, adding to the mystery. But what really stole the show wasn't just Salman, it was the poster placed on the table behind him. Sharp-eyed fans quickly noticed the intense image of Salman with a thin mustache and blood on his face. It looks like a powerful poster for his upcoming Galwan film. सलमान wrote, मेहनत करो सही दिशा में, उन्हीं पर वो मेहरबान और बनाएगा उन्हीं को उनके हुनर का पहलवान. In English, you translate. Fans are wondering what exactly he meant, but one thing's clear, he's gearing up for something big. Many fans think this might be a soft launch for the film's poster or a sneak peek ahead of a bigger reveal. Whether accidental or planned, this little surprise has definitely got everyone talking. With Salman Khan's powerful presence and the intense backdrop of the Galwan Valley conflict, expectations are sky high for this film. Fans can't wait to see their favorite star bring this real-life story to the big screen. Stay tuned for more updates. It looks like Salman Khan is ready to make a strong comeback with this much-anticipated film. Until then, keep guessing and keep the excitement alive. Urfi Javed, the social media sensation and winner of the popular show The Traitors, has recently opened up about the abuse she has been receiving online. After winning the show, Urfi shared a series of hurtful and hateful messages sent to her via Instagram DMs. Despite her bold fashion choices already attracting backlash in the past, this time the abuse came because of her victory. Urfi wrote, "When you don't like something a girl does, just drop the R word. Not the first time I've been threatened or abused like this, but this time it's not because of my clothes but because I won a show." Imagine being so petty that when your favorite player doesn't win you resort to abusing and threatening. Urfi also highlighted how no matter what she does, there will always be hate. She adds, "हर्ष को ना निकलती तो प्यार में अंधी, हर्ष को निकल दिया तो धोखेबाज." पूरव को जीतने देती तो बेवकूफ, नहीं जीतने दिया तो चीटर. Hate has never stopped me before, it never will now. Urfi Javed emerged as the winner of the Traitors alongside Nikita Luthar on 4th July. Together, they took home a prize of 70.05 lakh rupees after a gripping finale where they defeated comedian Harsh Gujral. The OTT show featured a star-studded cast including Karan Kundra, Raj Kundra, Raftaar, Jasmine Bhasin, Anshula Kapoor, Maheep Kapoor, Jannat Zubair, and Sudhanshu Pandey, among others. Hosted by Karan Johar, the show was a hit with fans. Several TV celebrities came forward to support Urfi after her post. Arjun Bijlani wrote, "Sad, we're doing just fine, keep moving." Arjit Taneja added, "Hate should never stop you. Tu bilkul sahi hai." Despite the negativity, Urfi remains strong and determined to rise above the hate. Her message is clear, no matter the criticism or abuse, she won't let it stop her. Stay strong, Urfi, your courage inspires many.